we're not going here. Oh, we're going out there. Okay, follow him, hun. I see. Hun, we wanted the nice green trees. Now we're going in the desert bareness. Am I right?
No, this is better, I think. I want all desert, like less animals. That's probably their house, and that's the guest house.
I would think, yeah. If you're living out here, you might as well have some green trees if you can. Oh, how cute!
got
Oh,
the nice
camel rides!
Yeah.
Oh, this is fun, guys! Look, put your stuff away now. Or I will throw them away when we get home. I will put them in the garbage, and I didn't buy them, so I don't care. Come on, guys. Ah. Maybe park over here.